Hello and welcome to another update video about SEI. I only made a video yesterday about SEI, but it's performing really well. It didn't break down anymore, so it did hold the support level anyway, and it did hold the swing low that formed on Thursday. And we broke further above the last high that was formed on Monday, here located at around 46.2 cents. And I'm interpreting this as a third wave. Yeah, within this C wave, within this larger third wave we discussed yesterday. And the idea is that this is a diagonal pattern to the upside, which could be forming from the low that formed on the 5th of August. So you see, however, everything's like corrective. We had a three-wave move up into the 26th of August high. We had a pullback, corrective pullback, and now a rally which turns into also corrective patterns, right? So we have this A wave, a very shallow B wave, which landed in the support area but is really very weak. And then this C wave could now be unfolding, which should reach possibly like 65.3 to 72.2 cents. Yeah. And this C wave would be a 5-wave move. And as you can see, and as I just mentioned, we're likely in that third wave of the C wave, right? And looking at the structure overall, you can see that as I said, the B wave is quite shallow. So what does it mean? It at least means that we have to consider the price could do a surprise turnaround to the downside and form a larger B wave, because this B wave only landed, the B wave with that low on the 3rd of October low, it really only landed in the section between the 38.2 retracement and 50% retracement. That's completely valid and everything's okay, but it's still quite shallow for a B wave. So until we really break out, we have to consider that it might form a lower B wave. At least consider it, at least be prepared for it. But in that case, it could just quite comfortably just extend that B wave, reset it a little bit lower. And there's plenty of space left in that support area. We've got 33.3 cents and then 29.4 cents next. And to the upside, the next resistance structurally is the 51.9 cent level, then 56.7 and 65.3. But I'd say looking at the length of that A wave, I mean, the C wave should at least get to 65.3 cents. We can also calculate that a little bit more precisely. And I'd say it's probably even that 100% extension level up there at 75.9 cents, which seems a reasonable target. Seems quite far away, but we'll see if it gets there. That is normally the ideal target for wave C of 3, right? So for a C wave. The third wave would already complete minimum expectations at 56.7 cents. But we have to consider the microstructure, which to be fair isn't very clear, but that's how I would track this chart. And as long as we're holding, above that last swing low from Thursday the 10th, the focus is on higher. But please note, it's a pretty messy structure, unfortunately. Yeah? It's all corrective and so on. But I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.